Before you view our video, please take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tapping the bell icon so that you will be the first to know when we post new videos. Our intestinal flora is made up of several microorganisms of several different species that live in the digestive tract, especially the colon. The intestinal flora's function is connected to fermentation and the digestion of indigestible foods such as vegetable fiber. It also influences the production of some nutrients, the absorption of some minerals, and the balance of our immune system. That's why it's important to take care of your intestinal flora, because any changes in it could cause several health problems. An unbalanced intestinal flora can cause both digestive problems, plus your intestine to absorb less nutrients. Badly digested food can contribute to the appearance of allergies and the proliferation of bad bacteria that can cause diseases. In today's video, we're going to show you a simple recipe that turns a pineapple peel into a fermented drink that's rich in probiotics and will bring many benefits to your overall health. Probiotics are the solution for damaged intestinal flora, since they are live, natural organisms that once consumed, gradually help it to regenerate. These good bacteria help prevent and fight infections, improve digestion, eliminate toxins, improve skin appearance, and strengthen your immune system. They're obtained through fermented foods such as sauerkraut or kefir, or through supplements, and should be eaten on an empty stomach to maximize efficiency. This pineapple drink can also help us get these good bacteria. Ingredients: the peel of 2 medium to large pineapples, 2½ cups of brown sugar, 3 liters of water. Instructions: first, wash the pineapples with the help of a small brush and some vinegar. Then peel them, leaving some pulp on the peel, and cut the peel into small sections. Then put them in a large glass container and add the water and sugar. Let the container sit at room temperature for 2 days. If it's cold, the process might take a little longer. After the 2 days, add the remaining liter of water and let it ferment for another 12 hours. To stop the fermentation, put the drink in the fridge. Since the microbes consume the sugar, you can add some sweetener or honey if you wish. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.